Hello friends, fighting ke sang tini kaisa katal teacher post ni notification na leana or notification ka Government of Tripura Korbuk Panjiham High Secondary School Bidyajyoti School CBSE Korbuk Gumoti Tripura ni bisingti no 15 July 2023 tarikh no korka inke advertisement for contractual engagement Oposangka walk-in interview ni bisingti no selection khaijaknai application inke resident of Tripura simisi oro walk-in interview remanai for engagement contractual basic na tilangjaknai Gerojak tongo purely temporary na tilangjaknai post. Name of the post jak tongo art teacher. Art teacher ni bagai age limit 18 is 50 years. Ex eligible jak tongo education qualification ke at least bachelor degree khlaijarnai. Tei logio degree iba diploma in visual arts and BBA from government recognized university ni degree iba diploma tongkinaro walk-in interview manai. Hinke oro jak tongo per hour narokna 200 na rejaknai. एक मास 30 hour class ma khainai total 6000 na rejaknai music teacher ni bagai age limit 18 is 50 years qualification ke at least bachelor degree khaijanangnai tei logio degree iba diploma in music B music from government recognized university ni qualification tongkinaro o post ni bagai na working interview monai salary ke same na tongnai per hour 200 khlai rejaknai ek mas 30 hour class ma khainai total 6000 na rejaknai salary Teacher theater post ni bagai age limit 18 is 50 years at least bachelor degree khaijanangnai qualification degree diploma certificate in theater from government recognized university ni qualification tongkinaro o post ni bagai na working interview remanai inke oro salary same na rejak tongo inke jara interested candidate tongnai apply khainai inke norokni biodata format no fill up khlai tei norokni necessary document loge tilangai 16 July ni simi 19 July 2023 ratai norok borokni office o thangui no 11 am ni simi sarik 4 30 ratai norok application joma remanai inke norokni application form incomplete tongke pore rejected khlaijaknai hini sajak interview ni date rijak tongo 20 July 2023 11 am ni simi Korbuk Panjiham High Secondary School Korbuk Gumoti Tripura o beno no interview lajaknai 20 July 2023 tarikh no Hinke friends, Korbuk Panjiham High Secondary School, Bidyajyoti School ni katal post ni notification naro nugui mankana. O post ni bagai naro interested tongke dakti no application jama reidi. O mahai katal job ni notification naina bagai hasteni jobs YouTube channel na subscribe khlai sabru khaidi. Tei naro katal job ni notification nugui mannai.